Hi, this is a quick video to showcase some of the network features and the apps that we've been working on in our recent client testnets. The network itself is made up of lots of connected computers, and when we log into it we use three pieces of information: your PIN, keyword, and password. Your PIN and keyword are used in combination to securely locate your files in the network, and your password is used to decrypt them. This process is called Self-Authentication, and it means the only person who knows your login details is you. You're not logging into a server or seeking anyone's permission to access your own data. No one knows when or where you're logged in from, and most importantly, your password is never sent to the network in any way. Now that we're logged in, we can run some apps. Your apps connect to the safe network using Launcher as a gateway, and you don't need to give any of them your login details. When your apps are authorized through Launcher, your login details are never passed to them, and they use the Launcher APIs to connect to the network on your behalf. You can revoke this permission at any time, and you don't need to worry about malicious apps accessing your data without your consent. There's only one set of login credentials to access all of your apps. This means there's no need to remember lots of different login details or use password managers. The demo app I'm going to show you contains three example scenarios. The first is creating a public ID. We use this ID so other people can locate your public data like websites, or in time, your messaging profile. Unlike DNS, this is immediate and it lasts forever. There's no need to register with providers who might leak your public data, and there's no more renewals. Like DNS, this helps people find your content. The next example is how we create a website. So to do this, we first create a service, and this service, along with your public ID, forms the URL that people use to view your site. The easiest way to add a site is to use the template. Now we can customize this template, and once uploaded it will be added to the safe network, where people can view it without ever having to go through a centralized DNS or server backend. The last example that I'm going to show you is private data. So existing solutions based on current centralized infrastructure are often insecure and prone to data leaks. Self-encryption is one way that we change this, and it's secure and private beyond any other existing solutions. When a file is uploaded to the network, it gets broken into lots of pieces called chunks. These chunks are then randomized, encrypted, and stored in the computers of other safe network users. These encrypted chunks are completely unreadable to anyone else, and they can only be accessed by you, the owner. I've added a link to the self-encryption video we made before, and you can check that out for a bit more info on how this works. So that's been a quick video of the safe network and some of the things that we've been working on recently. If you'd like to find out more information or try some of this out for yourself, please visit madesafe.readme.io, and you can follow the guides there to set everything up. Thanks for watching.